Let's meet Lakshya, Amritya, Harsh and Leher as a group for our top 20 finalists of Vidblock's Young Inventor TechFest 2020.
Hello everyone, I am Lakshya Saxena.
I am Harsh Mishra.
We study in class 9th and 8th in MVN Aravali Hills in Faridabad, and the project name is Cattle Zero.
My name is Amartya Singupta and I study in class 9th. I am 14 years old and I belong to the city of Faridabad, Haryana.
The main motive of a project is to help the farmers who are irritated by the cattle that enter their farm and destroy their ready to be harvested crops. We all know that farmers grow crops for us with a great amount of hard work, but many a times this hard work gets wasted because stray cattle encroach the fields, especially at night, and destroy the standing crops. So we are proposing a device that can stop these crops to get wasted. So basically our project is that whenever a stray cattle enters the farm of a farmer, there is a sensor tower in between the field, as you can see in the video. So this sensor tower has PIR sensors in it which will activate whenever it detects any motion.
When any cattle enters the field, it comes in the range of the PIR sensor and runs due to the high-pitched sounds of the buzzer. This normally happens when there is no such system in the farm. If the farmer wants to enter his farm, he can turn the switch off, which will deactivate the buzzer, and can go easily inside the farm. Now when he is coming out of his farm, he has to ensure that the switch is turned on again, so that no stray cattle can come inside his farm. So this is a full 360-degree view of our project. The lockdown, I visited my ancestral home, which is in Bihar, in the month of March. It was the time for the wheat crops to be harvested. I saw there that the stray cattle were intruding in the farm fields and destroying the crops, which gave me the idea of making this project name.
So let's move on with the Q&A.
Great storyboard. It's an amazing storyboard. Good work.
Good work.
Simple solution, but can be powerful.
Yes, right.
Yes. Sir, can we use a PPT for better explanation?
I think the explanation was very good, and we are also running after time, so we should move on to the Q&A.
Okay, sir.
Hannah? Okay, so let's open the floor for Q&A. Over to you, judges. Thank you.
No, I was impressed by the fact that you did that demo, which really brought it to life. You highlighted the problem. You outlined a good overview of the technology solution, and you highlighted problems of when the farmer's going to come into the field or not. So it was very good, and also the last part that you'd actually visited the farm and that as well. So that was good. Well done.
Yeah, it looks good. Very nice and good application of a lot of sensors, and your application is good. But do you think you would encounter any field problems, like when you deploy on the field? Do you anticipate that your things may not work, or will there be a problem in the field? Do you think about it?
Sir, there's always a room for improvement, and yeah, we are thought of various things in the our device, which can be improved. For example, we can incorporate solar things, or in various villages, the farmland and the place where they live, where the farmers live, have an extremely long distance. So we can also send an SMS or an alert system in the mobile of the farmers. So these are certain things we can also add.
Okay, and is there any chance of false triggers? Can there be a lot of false triggers? Like crow coming in or someone else coming in, not the cattle, but something else coming in. Will the wind be a problem or any other stuff?
Sir, PI sensors actually work on IR radiations, which are always radiated by living things such as humans, animals. So if any crow comes in or any living thing, yeah, the buzzers will trigger, but it will help the farmers as it will prevent eating of crops by the crows. Cattle.
Many congratulations to Lakshya, Amritya, Harsh and Leher for his invention. On behalf of the entire team of WITBlocks and TechFest, we wish them the very best of luck for the future.